Still waiting for the retracement. Aussie, all the sparkle, dollar, bottom of the pile, and I want to be long here, but not from those highs. Got our targets, we did close out our trades. Retracement back to this area between the 50 and 61% level, right at structure. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 21 August 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the pound, and short on the yen, the CAD and the US. Dollar index first up, two closes below the support level now here, showing a lot of bearishness on the US dollar. We might see a retracement back to the support level, retest that, and then some strong reversal, either one of these two levels I've marked. But I think we're on the way down to this area here in the next week or two. Can't see that it will bounce here in mid-air unless a lot of fundamentals change. But at this stage, clearly dollar bearish on the intraday. Long-term, short-term, medium-term, all my lines tells me that we are looking at shorts, and that's exactly what I will do. Gold, disappointing performance on that weak dollar. I would expect a much bigger bounce than this. But okay, it is August, it's summer holidays, we must lower our expectancy. And yeah, that breakout never happened. It broke too early, and I said you must wait, and well, sadly. Hitting targets a lot all over the place on gold, so just keep going strong with it, but I don't have any new entries at this stage for gold. I don't spot any more consolidations. The retracements I'm looking at this stage is just this Fibonacci swing from there to there. Now you can see here on the 50 levels, there's a level there. That's around the 24, 78, 80 levels. That's the level I'll be watching. So if I get a retracement, I'm not saying it will go there. All I'm saying is if it gets there and I still have a very weak dollar in the red zone here, then I will definitely look for some longs there, because that should be an excellent support level for gold. But other than that, not much I can do here. Bitcoin just rejecting the highs yet again yesterday. Trend still stays bearish on the stage. I had high hopes for it to close above the $61 levels, but it didn't. So you can see the bears are still in control. Bulls holding well. Definitely, the bears are not completely in control where they push the whole market into a bear trend. The thing is just the bulls cannot push it up. The moment they start pushing, the bears are selling. So it's a bit of a tug of war between the two. Well, that's the markets. We have to accept that. What I'm after is this thing to turn blue. I'm after the breakout, and then I'll be a happy man. Aussie US, after hitting all our targets here, we're still waiting for the retracement. Aussie, all the sparkle, dollar, bottom of the pile, and I want to be long here, but not from those highs. Got our targets, we did close out our trades. Retracement back to this area between the 50 and 61% level, right at structure. That's the area I'm after for some long setups. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. The Nasdaq, we're still looking at this little flat top triangle. I'm still waiting for the retracement, the retesting. Once I get a retest and a nice candle reversal, I'll consider some longs. You can see here dollar very weak, and that is stock market bullish in general. So that is the only index I can find where I can remotely buy something, and I don't want to chase it. So on a retest, strong candle reversal proven by the bulls that they want to go up more. Weak dollar, I'm good to go with it. In the pound CAD, pound green zone, CAD red zone. Want to be long here. Last directional swing, retracement back to 50%. Right the structure there. Now, it's already testing the 61% level. It cut through this 50 level a little bit close below, but that's all fine as long as it doesn't go down too far. But a strong candle reversal from here, that'll get me to go long on the pound CAD. In the Aussie Swiss, Aussie all the sparkle, Swiss neutral, not after that, but I'm after the Aussie long. I'll do anything to get the longs, but I need a retracement. I need confirmation of structure, this V bottom here. I would like to see another test of that level between the 50 and 61% level. Once I get that test, a strong candle reversal from there will show me that this is structure. It's reconfirmed, and then I'll enter into some longs. Aussie CAD, Aussie, all the sparkle. CAD, red zone, good, but I'm after that Aussie also, but yeah, it gives me the red zone CAD. I need the retest back to 60% level, 61% level. Structure coming in there. Well, I think we can now also add that. Yes, I think I've missed this in the preparation. That's the 50% level. That's now good enough. Yesterday it wasn't, but the market did pull up higher, honoring the 50% level on the retracement. So let's see. If I can get a retracement, I will then definitely consider some longs from that 50% level. As long as the Aussie stays well above the CAD, I'm comfortable looking for longs, but not from those highs. US CAD, looking for the retracement, which is a bit tough, but US red zone, CAD also red zone. I don't really want to be long CAD. By taking the short will put me long CAD, but the CAD is much stronger than the dollar, and in this instance, I could do it. Not my favorite setup, but I would like to see a retracement back to structure there between 50 and 61% level. And if the dollar stays below the CAD, regardless of the color of the CAD, I will still do this to get the short on the dollar. US Swiss, similar scenario, we need a retracement. Dollar there, Swiss neutral, not after that, but I'm after the dollar short, not from these levels. So if I can get a retracement back to the 61% level, structure coming in there, I'll then consider some shorts. If the bears can prove themselves and if they can say, well, we want to regain our territory and we get a nice counter reversal there, then I'll take some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. So don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.